guys, this is Carmel Asha. Welcome back to my channel. And on this particular video, I wanted to focus on applying lashes, okay? I got a couple requests from people on Instagram about applying lashes. So I said, let me go ahead and just do it, okay? So I'm basically gonna do voiceover throughout the video to kind of walk you through what I did, just in case people need a little extra detail, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys started looking at the routine, and like I said, there will be a little voiceover just to kind of walk you through my process. All right, bye. Okay, so what I do is I apply the glue directly to the lash itself, okay? I use a Q-tip and I glide the glue along the lash line. At that point, I fan it. You normally the directions on the glue will say to let dry about 30 seconds. So you definitely should listen to that. And the main reason for that is we need the lash glue to get a little tacky so that it actually stays on the eyelid and not move all around because it's so wet, okay guys? So you definitely want to give it time to dry down some, okay? So after your 30 seconds is up, I apply it directly on top of my own natural lashes. What I do is I line it up to the longest part of my lashes, basically the outer edge of my lash line. And once the lash is lined up with my own lashes at the outer edge, then I basically just place it down and attach it, okay? As you can see, I use a tweezers to apply my lashes, and then I use my fingers to kind of pinch them together and to make sure that there's no gaps, okay? What you also saw in this video is that I used a Q-tip to clean up the area. Every once in a while, you do have to do that. Let's just say if you used a little bit too much glue and it leaves behind a glue line, which is not attractive. So you want to go ahead and clean that up. Okay, guys? But besides that, that's basically what I do when I apply lashes. Okay? All right. I also want to add that I use Sassi Lash Glue, okay? I'm going to go ahead and also list that in the comment area. But for the most part, you can find Sassi Lash Glue at any beauty supply store, okay? So yeah, that's just my preference. That's the glue that I've been using since makeup school. It works for me. I love it. It keeps your lashes on for hours and hours. And yeah, it gets the job done, okay? Some people compare it to like weave glue, but mind you, it is not weave glue. It is lash glue, but it is very similar, okay? But at the end of the day, whatever you're into, whatever you like, if you like House of Lashes glue, if you like duo glue, whatever, lash glue is lash glue, okay? But my personal favorite is Sassi. I just wanted to include that. And yeah, so that's it. So let's wrap this video up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope that those who needed a little extra help with applying lashes, I hope that this helped. If you like the video, go ahead and like this video. If you have any comments, please comment down below. If you have any ideas for any other videos that you would like to see, please let me know. If you would like to see another lash application video, if I could possibly do it different, show it to you differently, by all means. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting on, guys? Go ahead and subscribe, okay? All right, and that's that. So I'm looking forward to doing another video. All right, see you next time. Love you. Bye.